I just spent $3,847 buying the top 5 Make Money online courses. 4 of them are borderline scams. 1 actually delivered real value. I went through every module, every lecture, and every single bonus. I'm going to show you exactly what they're hiding, which one is actually worth the money, and how you can spot these red flags before you waste thousands of dollars. This isn't a sponsored review. I paid full price for every single course, and let me tell you, some of these creators are going to hate me for exposing their tactics. But if you've ever thought about buying a Make Money online course, this video will save you a massive amount of time and money. Let us start with the worst offender, a $997 course that s 90% upsells. Alright, course number 1. Let's call it Passive Income Empire. Price tag, $997. The promise? Build 7 streams of passive income in just 90 days. Work only 4 hours a week and make over $10,000 a month. Sounds incredible, right? Well, what you actually get is a lot less glamorous. It's about 4.5 hours of video lessons, some basic Google Doc templates, and a so-called private Facebook group with 12,000 members and absolutely zero moderation. The first module is all generic mindset fluff, like believe in yourself and think like a millionaire. It offers 0 actionable strategies. Then it moves into affiliate marketing basics, which is stuff you can find for free on YouTube. In fact, I found 3 videos from other creators that explained it better. The third module on building a platform is just surfacely advice that links you to a $400 a year hosting plan where he gets a commission. But here's where it gets really bad. The traffic strategies module immediately tries to upsell you to a $2,000 ads mastery course and another $500 Instagram Empire course. The final monetization module. It's just another opportunity to push you into his $5,000 one-on-one coaching program. I counted 17 separate upsells. If you bought everything he pushes, you'd spend over $11,000 on top of the original $1,000. The verdict for this one? A 2 out of 10. This course exists only to sell you more courses. Next up, course number 2. YouTube Wealth Academy for $497. The promise is to grow a monetized YouTube channel to $5,000 a month in just 6 months. And to be fair, you get a lot of content over 8 hours of videos, a decent Discord community, and actual live Q&A calls. The first section on channel setup was actually pretty useful. But here's the problem. I started watching the second section on content strategy, and it felt really familiar. So I checked his free YouTube channel. And guess what? 18 out of the 22 videos in this paid module are just his public YouTube videos, slightly re-edited. His video on how to script viral videos. It's identical to a free video he posted 8 months ago. About 30% of the course is unique content, but even that is basic advice like post consistently and engage with comments. So what are you really paying for? Organization and community access. Is it worth almost $500? For a complete beginner who can't self-direct, maybe? But if you have the discipline to watch his free content, the answer is a hard no. I'm giving this one a 5 out of 10. It's not a scam, but it's dramatically overpriced for repackaged free content. Now for the one you've been waiting for. Course number 3. Faceless Content Empire at $1,497. And spoiler alert, this is the one that actually delivered. The promise is to build a faceless YouTube automation business generating $10,000 to $50,000 a month. And the content? It's incredible. We're talking almost 16 hours of video, over 50 detailed templates, contracts, and standard operating procedures, and a super active Slack community where the instructor responds daily. This course is different. The first module isn't mindset fluff. It's a real business breakdown with profit margin calculations and legal advice. The niche selection module is data-driven, showing his exact research spreadsheets and competitor analysis templates. But the best part? the content systems and hiring modules. He gives you his complete production, SOPs, scripts, editing guidelines, and the exact Upwork job posts he uses to hire his team. He shows you how to build a real, scalable business. What makes it worth the price is the transparency. He shows his actual revenue dashboards, including his failures. He provides systems, not just tactics. And there are zero upsells. I even messaged some of the students who posted their results in the community, and they were real. One person went from zero to a monetized channel in just 67 days. This is what a real course should be. It's a 9 out of 10, worth every single penny if you're serious about this business model. Okay, let us move on to course number 4. Dropshipping Mastery 2025 for $697. The promise was to build a $10,000-$a-month dropshipping store with the latest strategies. The problem? The course was made in 2019 and has barely been updated since. The entire module on Facebook ads shows an interface that is years old. It doesn't even mention the massive iOS 14 update from 2021 that completely changed the game. I actually tested his methods, spent $500 on ads, and got only 2 sales. The product research module recommends using suppliers with 30 to 45-day shipping times, which is a death sentence in today's market where customers expect 2-day delivery. The Shopify and email marketing sections are just as outdated. This course isn't just old. These strategies are now ineffective and will lose you money. I give this a 3 out of 10. It's basically selling ancient history. Finally, we have course number 5, AI Income Revolution for a whopping $1,247. The promise? Make $5,000 to $20,000 a month using AI with no skills needed. This isn't just a bad course. It's a straight-up scam. Here's the breakdown. The first module just explains what ChatGPT is information you can get for free. The income strategies are laughable. One tells you to offer content writing services using prompts you can find in any free blog post. Another teaches you to create and sell a course using his exact funnel structure, literally teaching you to scam people the same way he is. The entire affiliate marketing module is just him promoting his own affiliate links, so he makes money when you buy tools. The Scaling Your Empire section is 41 minutes of pure mindset fluff with 0 actionable steps. The bonuses: broken Google Doc links and a dead Discord server. There are no real testimonials. The limited time offer has been running for almost a year, and the refund policy is designed to make it impossible to get your money back. I had to dispute the charge with my credit card company to get a refund. This is a 0 out of 10. It's a predatory product designed to prey on hope. So, after spending nearly $4,000, what's the big secret all these courses are hiding? The truth is, most of the information is already available for free online. When you buy a course, you shouldn't be paying for information. You should be paying for organization, a structured path, community for accountability, direct support, and most importantly, proven systems and templates. Good courses provide these things. Bad courses just repackage free content and fill it with generic motivation and constant upsells. They have fake testimonials and tricky refund policies. So, here's the final tally. Passive Income Empire gets a 2 out of 10. YouTube Wealth Academy, a 5 out of 10. Dropshipping Mastery, a 3 out of 10. And AI Income Revolution is a hard 0. The only one I can stand behind is Faceless Content Empire, which earns a solid 9 out of 10. So, how do you spot a good course before you buy? First, check the creator's free content. If they provide real value for free, that's a good sign. Look for specific, verifiable student results. Message them if you can. Be wary of sales pages with long video pitches and fake countdown timers. And always check the refund policy. 30 days or more shows confidence. Anything less or with complicated requirements is a major red flag. My final recommendation is to always start with free content. exhaust YouTube, blogs, and podcasts. A course won't magically make you successful. But if you've put in the work and you're ready to invest in systems, community, and support, then a high-quality course can be a powerful accelerator. Just make sure you're paying for the right things. Thanks for watching. In my next video, I'm going to follow 5 free YouTube strategies for 30 days to see what actually works. Let me know in the comments if you've ever bought a course and what your experience was. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss it.